Humans will invent almost any unit of measurement, apparently except a normal one. First, the New Scientist piece jokes about what it calls experiential units, which are comparisons that sound really vivid, but doesn't really help you conceptualize much. One example tries to explain the tension in tempered glass by asking you to imagine an adult African male elephant suspended from a rope the same diameter as a table tennis ball. Another says a London fatberg weighed the same as a small bungalow. And a tram campaign in Australia claimed a Newcastle train is as hard to stop as a herd of 30 rhino. Now these are technically comparisons, but only if your everyday life involves suspended elephants, collapsing bungalows, and rhinos on public transport. Then the NIST article reminds you that weird units aren't new at all. The cubit was based on the distance from the elbow to the end of the middle finger. A Roman mile was 1,000 paces. By legend, a yard was the distance from King Henry I's nose to an extended arm. And in 1324, King Edward II declared the inch was 3 grains of barley arranged end to end. It gets even weirder. A BatMan was a unit of mass from ancient Babylon, which was equal to 7.7 kilograms, and a butt was 126 gallons or 2 hogsheads. A noggin, or a gill, first meant a quarter pint and later a half pint. So if modern measurements feel weird, that's really just tradition. We started with forearms and barley grains, booze barrels, and somehow ended up with elephants hanging from imaginary ropes.